Want to get your hands on the best Android phone in 2021? Then those phone is for you. Let's check out them. Number 1. Most popular. Google Pixel 4a. The Google Pixel 4a is a gem of a smartphone that delivers an excellent core smartphone experience and nails the basics. It doesn't have some of the iPhone SE's flourishes like water resistance, wireless charging, or a glass and metal build, but it's less expensive, and it's the absolute best option for Android users. Remarkable value for its $350 retail price tag, the Pixel 4a makes you wonder if premium flagships are really worth the extra money. Google's budget phone boasts a 5.81-inch edge-to-edge OLED screen. Number 2. Moto G Power. You get a lot of phones for the Moto G Power's starting price of $200. Apart from its huge battery life, the capable and power-efficient processor can run almost any app that more expensive phones can, albeit not quite as quickly. It also comes with a good camera, as well as a large, power-efficient 6.6-inch 720p resolution screen. But, to maximize power efficiency, you're not getting a lot of frills or premium features, and that's the way it goes if you value battery life for such a price. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A51. The Galaxy A51 from Samsung is a mid-ranger that thinks it's a premium flagship. It has a beautiful slim and premium design that dismisses the divisive notch and employs Samsung's signature hole-punch style selfie camera. It also has a triple-lens camera system, which isn't outrageously special on a mid-ranger released in 2020, but it goes to show just how good smartphones can be under the $500 mark nowadays. It has a 48-megapixel standard camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro camera, and it takes pretty good photos with all of the lenses. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is the most advanced phone in the S21 range and our top choice for any Android user seeking an upgrade in 2021. The S21 Ultra is a fantastic all-rounder and offers up plenty of improvements over its predecessor. Standout features include the WQHD plus 120Hz display and versatile quad camera, but these are packed up by Samsung's sizable RAM and storage offerings and the capable Exynos 2100 processor. One of the biggest upgrades found on the S21 Ultra is the adaptive refresh rate. Number 5. Original Oppo Find X3 Pro. The Oppo Find X3 Pro is one of the best Android phones around. If you're not keen on the hefty size of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, then it does offer an alternative thanks to a far slimmer body. It takes excellent pictures and has one of the best screens on any phone you can buy, with performance matching top releases from Samsung and OnePlus. We heaped much praise on the X2 Pro last year mostly for its camera, and Oppo has once again impressed here. Number 6. OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 Pro is gunning straight for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The phone features the latest hardware you'll find today, including the Snapdragon 888 chipset, along with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage modules, and a marquee addition this year is the cameras. OnePlus always nailed the hardware, but it just couldn't deliver cameras that held up to Samsung, Google, and Xiaomi. That has changed with the OnePlus 9 Pro. The device comes with an upgraded 48MP camera at the back that takes fantastic photos. Number 7. Google Pixel 5. The Pixel 5 is Google's latest flagship smartphone that you can buy. Compared to past releases, it's a huge departure. Rather than trying to have the absolute best specs possible, the Pixel 5 focuses on offering a great all-around user experience at a competitive price. And in just about every regard, it succeeds. First things first, we have to talk about the Pixel 5's camera performance. Simply put, if camera quality is a key priority for you, the Pixel 5 should be at the very top of your shopping list. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.